This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. New flat tile roof was just installed. New exterior paint and a new pool surface is planned for June will make this house sparkle outside. Inside you'll find a beautifully furnished and spacious 2,289 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. One of the guest bedrooms also has a full ensuite bath for a family member or visitor privacy. The SS kitchen has white cabinetry and has been updated with a quartz countertops and SS appliances. Plantation shutters all windows throughout. The large heated pool and spa are in a private courtyard facing east for morning sun, and the outdoor covered dining area is protected from the afternoon sun as the back of the house faces west. The 2-car garage has an immaculate, polymer, no-slip floor surface, and there are built-in storage cabinets. Though the house had no interior water intrusion from Ian, like all Crown Colony houses, flood insurance is in place and is transferable to the new owner for significant cost savings. The HOA is very well run with low quarterly fees, providing 24/7 attended gated access, a community pool, hot tub, 4 True tennis courts, and well-equipped fitness center open 24/7. Comcast fiber optic cable and the Xfinity X1 platform with up to 4 TV/DVR boxes, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, are all part of the dues, over a $750 quarterly value at retail. Social or golf membership at the golf club at Crown Colony is optional, and offering the following special. A golf membership purchased within 30 days of closing on this home will allow a $10,000 reduction in the club initiation fee. This club was chosen for the 2022 LPGA $1.5 million Drive On Championship, hosting the world's top women golfers, and is also used for PGA qualifying events. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.